yo fuego, no jugo, juegos. Habla español, pero pequeño. Me pele es negro, cosono muchos negros, pero negros de más el dinero, el peso de dinero, el peso de dinero, el peso de dinero. Yo quiero el peso de dinero. Let me stop now, you know I'm international. I only speak Spanish when I feel it's rational. Pass you the gas, cause I'm trying to gas you up.
Hey guys, it's Jericho. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming a makeup video and I have to sneeze out of nowhere. Oh my god. I swear, like, this stuff always happens when I try and film. It's always something that's trying to like get in there and just ruin what I got going on. So I already did my eyebrows off camera, as I always do. Disclaimer, please ignore my crusty wig. You know, we got a lot going on over here. So this is gonna be kinda a Juvias Place one brand. No, it's not, because all I have from Juvias Place is the eyeshadows, the setting powder, and the foundation. I got the concealer, but if you watch my Juvias Place review, which I will link above, you will see that the concealer was a terrible match and they do not do refunds. So I am pretty much stuck with what I have. So it's just gonna sit on my makeup desk until it dries out. So first thing I'm gonna start with is my eyes. I think I'm going to use my Zulu palette. I'm really only using the Zulu palette for one shade, I think. Maybe two. I know I want to go in with this green color as my primary transition shade. I'm probably only going to use, like I said, 2 to 3 shades, and then I'm also going to go in with a pigment, and everything is falling and ruining what I have going on. Okay, so for the pigment, I'm going to use a NYX Professional Makeup Pigment. I've never used this shade before. I just bought it when I went to Ulta. It's the shade Brighten Up / Embellishment. So I'm excited to see. This is kind of like a holographic, really pretty pigment color. So I'm excited to see how it's going to turn out. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, which is what I always do, which is prime my eyelids. If I can just remember where I put my dang on concealer. I honestly don't think I'm gonna need, like, you know, normally I do the super bright concealer. I don't think I will need it to be super bright this time. I'm just gonna set it with, I'm just gonna use my regular concealer. I'm just gonna use a Tarte Shape Tape to set my eyes. Okay, so now the first color I'm going to go in with is, don't know because it ain't no name. It is this shade right here. I'm just going to use one shade and just blend the edges. Now the next thing I'm going to do is cut my crease, and I'm going to need a small mirror to do this. I'm trying to think, like, do I have a compact mirror? Alright, now that I got that shade, my crease cut, it's not cut to perfection. I feel like I'm so used to using like white shades to cut my crease now that I'm using concealer, regular concealer, it just looks weird. I'm gonna go back in with that green shade in the outer corner. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go in with this really, I'm going to go in with this lime green shade in the middle and see what happens. Okay, back in with the green shade. So they just blended seamlessly. I hope you guys can see like how great that blended together. Now the shade that I'm most excited about in this tutorial is the NYX pigments. So I'm really excited to try the shade. I've never used it before. It's brand new. I went and got it from Ulta. I'm going to be doing more looks with pressed pigments because I really like, I'm not pressed pigments, just pigments in general. Now if I can find me okay. So I'm going to use, okay, that concealer is starting to dry, so I need to hurry up. I'm going to use just I don't know how to say this name. I got it from Amazon. I'm going to go in with this pigment. I need to pull this paper up first. Ooh, okay, so inner corner, my inner corner highlight, I kind of want something white and popping, and I don't think there's anything that's white in the Masquerade. Well, there's Giza. Let me see how that works. I probably should have did that after my foundation, so I'm not gonna do that on the other eye. So what I'm gonna do off camera is I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara on this one. I'm going to do my other eye and then put on some lashes. Oh, I'm putting a little thin line of liner on my eyeliner. I mean on my eyes. So I'm going to do a thin line of liner. I'm going to put on my lashes, and the lashes I'm going to be using are these. I don't know how to say it, but they're on they're on Amazon. So this is what they look like. They're really drag queen lashes. Like when I put these on, I was like, whoa! I did not know they were going to be that big, but I bought them, I spent my money on them, so I'm going to wear them. So I'm going to do my other eye and I'll be back. All right, when I tell y'all these lashes are the most, they are the most. Okay, like I feel like these are not everyday lashes. These are definitely my lashes for YouTube because I don't think I could consciously leave the house with these on. Like they are doing the most. All right, so I'm gonna do my face. I'm gonna apply a little bit of moisturizer, Pond's. I've already done my skincare routine today, did my cleanser, my toner, my vitamin C serum. So I've done all that, but that was a little bit earlier. So I'm gonna apply my Pond's. Usually after this I would apply my Milani oil. I'm just gonna do a little bit, like very little. If you're doing a really drying matte foundation, you want to make sure you do moisturizer, oil, a hydrating primer, especially like if you're doing the Fenty, the soft matte, like make sure you are moisturizing, because if you don't moisturize really well, like your foundation looks really textured and cakey looking. So I had to learn, like, you know, my foundation looks like that because I'm not moisturizing well enough. So that was a hard lesson I had to learn. So for primer, I'm doing the NYX Photo Loving primer, my usual, but I'm running low. Okay, so we're going in with the Juvia's Place Kampala foundation. Well, it's the I Am Magic foundation in the shade Kampala, and this little tube right here. It's like, it's such a beautiful foundation. Like, it's so gorgeous, but it's just too dark. Like, it applies so velvety. Like, when they say velvet, they didn't lie. Like, it's really so beautiful. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going in with my favorites, which is the ColourPop concealer in Dark 40. So I'm going to go in with Dark 40 and then go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the color, Tan Deep Sand. That's what color it is. For bronzer, or for contour, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the color C16. Okay, so to set my face, I'm gonna actually try the I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Sahara. Oop. Okay, apparently I had some wasted in there. I'm gonna use the Sahara setting powder. Dang, this stuff is just leaking out of here. I feel like I ate it. Ugh. My makeup looks flawless. Flawless right now. Like, I can't even. Now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty not setting powder, my Fenty Beauty bronzing powder in the color Cocoa Naughty. I'm looking real Michael Jackson-y right now. I feel a little too powdery, but it's okay. That's why we love setting spray, because setting spray mushes everything together. So beautiful. Okay, so now I think I'm pretty much done after I do my lower lash. No, I'm gonna do mascara last, because that always smears after I set my face. So I'm gonna set my face with my MAC Fix Plus, my holy grail product. My face looks so flawless. I don't know what I did today to deserve this. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, so I don't have very many choices. I mean, I have my Mirage, my Maybelline Master Chrome, which is basically the same shade. I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Like, if I had like a purple eyeshadow, I would maybe use my Anastasia, but I don't. I'm just gonna use this. Okay, let's just go ahead and do what we normally do. So I'm just gonna dip my Morphe M510 brush and put it on my cheeks. And y'all know I don't really ever do much for lips, because for one, I'm about to eat dinner and I don't want to have to like scrub it off and mess up my entire look. This eye look is so much that I don't really want to kill the vibes with doing too much for my lips. And I'm going to stop there, because I feel like my lips are saying, girl, you got way too many layers on. You need to stop, because we are getting crustier by the minute. All right, so that is pretty much it, I think. Let me go ahead and take this crusty ponytail out. All right, you guys, so that is it for this makeup tutorial / makeup look. It came out way better than I thought it would. My lips are on something else. We're just gonna ignore those. So, but my eyes came out so bomb. It looks like it's yellow, but I swear this color is like a pearly gold yellow color. So it came out looking yellow on camera. I could have just used yellow eyeshadow probably, but it looks so pretty. I'm really happy with the way that it came out. I'm happy with the way my whole makeup came out. Like the Juvia's Place foundation, it just, I feel bad for ever judging it, okay, because it applies so great. That velvety matte look is so pretty. I don't know how long it would last like in heat, but it looks so good. My face looks flawless. Like, it probably has a lot to do with the fact that I really moisturize my face really well, which is why I was telling you guys that if you're gonna wear matte foundation, moisturize your face really well. And my makeup looks so flawless, I don't even want to wipe it off. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys like this video, I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I probably should have said this in the beginning, but if you're new, welcome. If you're an OG subscriber, welcome back. I'm so thankful for you. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account. I am rebuilding. I am starting over from ground zero. And that is Jerica.sincere. So the only difference between this Instagram and my last one is the dot. So I will have that down here so you guys can see. But I'm also rebranding my channel, so I'm going to be changing my YouTube banner and all that kind of stuff. I've already rebranded on my Facebook while I'm working on that. So yeah, that takes a little bit of time to do, so I apologize. But I hope you guys enjoyed this Juvia's Place tutorial or makeup look or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I think that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a good day.